Web3 TV.
Hello, what's up, and welcome to the Kamikaze Tuesday in Dubai. I'm Adele, the host. Today, we have Vyas with us, who just did a keynote presentation on the future of AI. Vyas, how are you doing today?
I'm good. Thanks for having me, Adele.
I enjoyed your keynote today. Very, very informative.
Thank you.
Tell us, what is your, in your personal opinion, the biggest challenge that AI faces today?
I think the biggest challenge with AI is that almost everyone you know, your friend, your mom, your aunt, are building AI agents today.
Right.
And the challenge with that is that it's all very fragmented. Everyone has their own way of defining the AI. And if you have one big system which wants to talk to these agents, it doesn't know how to because everything's defined so differently. So we need something that really unifies it, you know?
Right. The AI agents, people are building this themselves. Are there any dangers with this? Because how can you tell the difference between an AI agent and an actual person? And doesn't that raise concerns?
That's an interesting question. I think at the end of the day, if someone's ready to put so much resource, they have an actual human doing it,
right,
kudos to them.
Uh-huh.
As long as they can generate the correct outputs, I don't think it makes a difference. But practically speaking, I think AI agents, by definition, are going to be automated systems, which are kind of trying to do a specialized function in a particular way.
Right. That's interesting because I understand the main goal is that the result is achieved. What you're trying to achieve here. It doesn't matter how you get there.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how you get there as long as you get the result that you're looking for.
Exactly. I mean, if someone's ready to hire 1,000 people to go and do automated things to replace a bot, that's an interesting choice, but they can do that if they want. Interesting.
Tell us a bit about Chatoshi. Today's theme is on Chatoshi. We've got the great thematic. We got some cheerleaders today in the room.
Amazing.
Tell us about Chatoshi.
Chatoshi, well, yeah, great question. So Chatoshi is meant to be this pun on chat and Satoshi, so
right,
the founder of Bitcoin. It's trying to be that one-point access to all your crypto needs. So I think one way I like to describe it is imagine ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google, all in one and bespokely designed for crypto.
Right.
And beyond just giving you information, with Chatoshi, we're trying to give people access to the kind of detailed analysis that's usually ring-fenced for like experts in the area. You know, like your hedge fund traders, your mathematicians, your programmers. They know how to get deep insights, but the layman doesn't know. They just go by what someone else is telling them on Telegram.
Right.
So with Chatoshi, we hope they can ask Chatoshi through a natural language interface what's really going on and whether they should trust a particular influencer. Should they trust a particular project? And if so, why? What's going on in the news? What's happening on Twitter? And all these kind of things gives them the correct platform to do their due diligence as opposed to being the sheep. They can now make the decisions more actively.
So this follow-up question to me, for traders out there who do technical analysis, are you replacing technical analysis traders?
No. So, I mean, perhaps we're replacing the consultants,
right,
but we are trying to help the technical analysis traders. This way they can augment and speed up their research. Instead of having to go and like look at Twitter sentiment themselves and build their own programs, they can just ask our system and do the same thing they would have done anyways without having to waste resources or time.
Interesting. So it's more used as a tool rather than, well, you did say it could be replacing consultants.
Yeah,
is that right?
Yeah, if someone's going to be a charlatan and say, I'll tell you what to do and do the technical analysis, you don't need them anymore.
You don't need them anymore.
You can use Chatoshi
this is actually replacing the consultant.
Effectively, yeah. I mean, we're not looking to replace anyone. We're trying to enable people to get more out of what there already is in data.
Why bother paying a highly expensive, technical analysis person when I can just use Chatoshi?
Yeah, exactly. Chatoshi is your, source of knowledge, your gumption, and everything you need to trade properly.
Awesome. For those who are watching and who may not be so familiar with where Chatoshi is, where can they find more information about it?
Yeah, so you can go to the Chatoshi website. You can download the app. There's a Flutter app. You can also go to the web version of the Chatoshi. You can experiment with it in the browser as well. So there's lots of ways you can find it. Go to the website and you'll find out.
Thank you, Vyas, for the insights. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this insightful. Make sure to check out chAtoshl.ai. This is going to be the thing replacing your technical analysis. Thank you again. I'm Adele, the host, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.